Now we just got to finish getting rid of the concrete, and then we'll start dig. We already started digging, but we'll have to go down a little bit more. The original pipe is probably about another half foot below, and then we'll have to trench it all the way out back, make our tie-in.
You see my camera coming through?
Huh?
Wave to the camera.
Oh, what's up, dude? Hey, we get it done.
Yeah, we're in there. We're making progress.
Yes,
There it is. Some daylight. All right, Mike, where are we at?
We got all of our pipe exposed, so you can see out back. We have we'll cut that house trap out, put a two-way clean out in.
Mike, what's it smell like?
What the rock is cooking.
Smells like money, baby. Stub in underneath the footing, which they did. We'll throw a branch in here for a bathroom back there. It kind of goes on a funky angle. I don't know why they did that. They probably replaced this before there was an addition back here. But we'll come in, we'll shoot through where they blasted through the footing down here. And then we're gonna come in, pipe in. We'll throw a 3x2Y in here to pick up the kitchen. We'll have to keep coming in. You want to come into the master or the other bathroom where our stack is. Camera's dead. And then we got our stack system in here. We got the 3-inch comes in, Y's up, picks up the one stack, picks up the other stack. So we'll have to repipe all this, which I just realized I don't have a 3x-Y. And we'll be good to go. Why you replace your 3-inch cast iron in Levittown. See the bottom's rotted out here, and the rest of it's basically paper thin. So that's how you get a camera stuck.
And
This side's not that bad.
It's very clogged though.
Yeah, it'll clog, but so it rots more when it holds water. So if you have a dip in it or something, it rots the pipe out faster than if it's flown downhill very fast, you know, not holding any water.
Right.
So
we just pulled the pipe out of this whole strip here.
yeah, so we'll clean our trench up, make it nice and flat. We're not gonna dig down, we're just gonna clean it up a little bit. And then I'll have to clean up my tying out back there, get the scales off the cast iron, and then we'll tie into that and pipe it in.
Sweet.
All right, we're gonna make our tying to the existing 4-inch cast iron. I have a 4-inch arc band I'm gonna tie it onto with. We'll use a T-handle torque wrench, which Rich will put a description in the video what a T-handle torque wrench is. But you wanna clean up this existing cast iron. So you see it's all scaled up and stuff right now. You got dirt around the sides. You really wanna clean it up. That was probably a rock they set the pipe on. But there's a couple ways to clean it up. A lot of times you can bang the dirt off. It all depends how bad it is. You see that? You see how that just came off real nice?
Yep.
You can do that. And then you can also take a grinder to it gently.
Yeah, you don't want to cut the pipe, I guess.
What's that?
You don't want to cut the pipe, right? Like
no, I'm just getting the dirt off
yeah,
to make a nice connection.
Right.
So you can also take a grinder. If like that came off real easy because this is like
point out that you put your safety goggles on.
Yeah, I put my glasses on. Obviously, you got to dig out a little bit more further down around it and stuff like that because you got to get this on it. You got to be clean. This is going to go on 2 inches and 2 inch on the PVC. And then you're good to tie this bad boy on. I'll have to get my torque wrench. We'll tie that on and go PVC from there. So that's how you make a tie-in. All right, so we're going to set our arc band up in the middle of our PVC real quick.
Show me this torque wrench you were talking about.
Here's the torque wrench. Caps out at 60 pounds. So now I know I'm perfectly on my Fernco, on my arc band, and perfectly on the PVC. We'll give her a little bit of snug. Give me 1 second.
You already have a torpedo out there, huh?
Yeah. So we'll get her snugged up a little bit, and then you take your level, put it perpendicular to the top of the T, and you level your T out.
Make sure the bubbles in the middle.
Yep.
That purrs.
You'll hear it snap out. You hear that? That means you're tight enough. We'll do it on the PVC. Same with the middle band. You want to do it evenly. Cast iron's not the same OD as PVC.
What's OD?
Outside diameter. So the band's going to crunch a little bit, but that's all right. It's really close. It's not the same though. All right, we're all evened up, and then you can check your T going this way, and we're flying. All right, we're going to prime it. When you have a fitting, you got to roll the fitting. You don't want to roll it too much. You don't want to not roll it at all. So on the side of your level, you got this line here, and you'll put it against the face, and you just want that bubble touching the line going up. If you're piping back in, if you're piping out, you want it going down. So we're only going to roll it a little bit. 4-inch pipe, you only need 1/8 inch per foot. Same with kind of 3 inch. If you want to go a little bit more on 3 inches, that's fine. Once you go to 2, 1.5 inches, you got a 1/4 inch per foot. So they say poop rolls downhill. You don't want to roll it downhill too fast, they say, because then the toilet paper, the water goes faster than the toilet paper. But I've never seen that happen. So that's what they say though. Maybe on sewer mains or something like that, but not anything we do. So glue on 4-inch, you really want to get some glue there because you're gonna, especially if it's cold out, you want to get a nice roll going. Don't be cheap on the glue. You'll regret it. So we have it just touching the line there. So on the 4x on combos, you either got to make it square on a 45 or 22 or a 90-degree angle. So I like to glue my street 45s in beforehand, and then I can just roll it on a 45, roll it on a 90, which would be completely vertical, or roll it down with a 22. But usually I use a street 22 to level that out because it's hard to, you can't tell that on the level. Here we have plenty of elevation because I'm not going to go that deep on my master bath. So I'm just going to roll it straight up. If you want, you can roll it on a 45 and then 45 out of it. I'm just rolling it straight up. I gotta get out of this house, so. I just have to get my trunk line in right now so I can take a shower in a couple hours.
I didn't even think about that. You can't even shower right now, can you?
Yeah. Ruby, baby.
There it is. Boom.
Let it lie, let it die.
Yep.
All right. Once you get a certain amount piped in, you want to get some dirt underneath the pipe. Make sure it's underneath real good, it's packed in real good. And then what I'll also do is I'll put a big pile right here. It's called setting the pipe. You don't want it moving around on you. If the soil's not good, you can always bring screenings in or something like that, but this soil's pretty good, so we won't do all that, do that. But you want to set this pipe, make sure you get dirt underneath of it. Take your shovel, pack it in real good. And then I'll put like a big pile right here just to set it so it doesn't move around on them. And that's it. We got a 3x2 here. We're just gonna pick up a kitchen all the way down there. So again, we're just gonna throw it on the vertical. We'll pick it up later because I got a shower tonight. So I gotta get this bad boy piped in. We'll pick it up later.
Get out of here, you nosy little pervert, or I'm gonna slap you silly!
The 2-inch, we're only gonna be about 10 inches below grade. You don't have to go much deeper than that. You want your PVC below the 4 inches of concrete.
All right, for those of you who don't understand Michael's jargon, we gotta connect to the city out there. He's connecting to his master bathroom behind that wall. That's what this little T is for. Connect to the sewer system, jump up, jump over to the bathroom. Over here, we're gonna keep continuing this way. We got another T coming up, or I guess a Y you would call it. Jump up, go over to the kitchen. Lastly, go on the other side of this wall. You got his first floor bathroom, and right above it, he's got his second floor bathroom. We're gonna connect all that in, and then tomorrow run some water lines.
We're piping the stack in now, so I'm gonna, on a Philly style system, each branch comes separately off the vent, the stack. You can't, if you bring more than one off the stack, you'll have to re-vent. So we're throwing our T in now for our toilet. We'll throw our T in for the tub. We'll throw a T in for the laundry sink, a T in for the bathroom sink, and a T in for the washer box.
But I pity the fool.
So on the other side of this wall is gonna be our laundry room. This is our first floor bathroom, and right above us is the second floor bathroom. Connecting all that down to this stack right here.
All right, we're all piped in. Well, for the most part, our trunk line's in. We got a vertical in. All our T's were piped through here. We'll backfill the dirt up until the toilet hit right there, and then I'll pipe the toilet in, and then I can just pipe this. I'll pipe a piece over for the tub, and then concrete, and then I'll set the tub, and then we'll be good to go on that. I'll have to pipe this stuff in for the laundry sink and all that stuff. We'll do that later. You come out here. We got our trunk line in, set, nice pitch on it. Through here, we did a little 22 action up in here. And then we had our 4x3 on the vertical, 4x3 to pick up that toilet, and came out 3 inch out the back end of this.
So this is 4 and this is 3.
Yep, and then we're gonna do 3 for this toilet. And then out here we got a clean out in with our tie into our cast iron.
Got to clean out. Good.
We'll cut that down later. So that's it.